In this video, I'll show you how to create the Make One Left increase in the Western method. The Make One Left is a one-stitch increase that's created by lifting the bar between two stitches from the row below and knitting into it so that it twists closed. The Make One Left has the left leg of the stitch crossed over the right leg of the stitch, giving it a left-leaning direction. To create the Make One Left, take your left needle and insert it from front to back into the strand of yarn that connects the last stitch from the row below on the right needle to the stitch on the left needle. Insert your right needle into the back leg of the bar from front to back and knit the stitch. This creates a twisted stitch in the row below that leans to the left. See how the left leg crosses over the right leg? Let me show you that 2 more times. Take your left needle and insert it into the bar between the stitches, from front to back. Insert your right needle into the back leg of the stitch and knit it. Let me show you that 1 more time. Take your left needle and insert it from front to back into the strand of yarn between the stitches. Insert your right needle into the back leg of the bar and knit it. And that is how you create a Make One Left increase.